Welcome to a very special edition of the Radical Job Shop Show, Chairlift Conversations. I'm your host, Emily Wilkins, founder of Marketing Metal, the anti-agency that helps small shops leave the boring behind and magnetize their perfect prospects. You know that I love skiing. So when Al Watmo told me about the machining summit on the summit and asked me to record these conversations, it was an immediate hell yes. I am finally here at Mammoth Mountain, California with about 400 others who love this industry. And I am psyched to bring you up with me so you can eavesdrop on my conversations, because riding up the mountainside with someone you've never met before with an epic backdrop that expands your perspective, you never know what you're gonna hear. So let's get radical. So,
you sound well practiced at facilitating.
I am now, yeah. I've done a few of these. So, and I haven't met you guys yet.
Of course, from Starland, where
Okay.
It's Will. I'm Jesse. This is Teak.
Hi.
Nice to see you.
Oh, you were in our
afternoon
session today.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
We were supposed to be in the afternoon session, but we ended up in the woods. So.
Nice.
We learned some things about that.
Nice. So you're good skiers then?
What you go back?
No, you just got lost.
I got lost.
Nice.
What is your company doing?
Yeah.
We are kind of divided across service, fabrication, and machining. Primarily serving the marine market. Wow.
Trading.
Commercial vessels, yachts, race boats, but we also do a fair amount of job shop work. Okay. We spread between energy, very occasionally some medical development, and some aerospace.
So I have a customer that makes quart nozzles for like ice boats.
All right.
It's
All right. Nice.
crazy, like massive
This is
massive
big gear.
structures.
Yeah, that's huge.
And they weld them like all in one piece somehow. It's crazy.
You guys do bigger stuff? for
No,
boats?
we don't.
Okay.
We're fairly small. Like part size for us is not massive.
Okay.
Yeah.
When you said
We're not-
medical, I figured
We're not like
it was,
shipbuilders.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're sort of well, repair. Well, we started with more sort of repair focused, and we need to kind of produce parts and capability that we didn't have has kind of led us to more capable equipment, and then kind of the need to backfill empty space on that equipment has kind of led us to more job shop work and looking for contract machines.
You think that's more the direction you guys will keep going? Or
It
stick
seems
to
the most
industry?
scalable.
Yeah.
It just seems straightforward, and it is pretty fascinating. Like the kind of the process of making parts is super cool.
Yeah.
So we're hoping that's a path forward. And the marine side is kind of the service and repair is changing.
Yeah.
There's some
Started as like
pressures there.
obsolete parts you couldn't buy. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a lot of like clapped out winches that are like, can you make this? The boss is
Gotcha.
coming tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, would you guys do like any engineering that you needed to figure that's like I'm sure you weren't finding
It's more reverse engineering,
Yeah,
but
right.
we do have some folks that will come to us with kind of clean sheet idea and
Yeah.
Mm.
But no, this stuff wasn't like you didn't get a print for the part. You guys
No.
had to okay.
It's usually like a clapped out Italian.
Yeah.
This is dialogue, print
Yeah.
by dialogue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so you guys are in New Jersey,
We're
or you're from New Jersey?
yeah, from New Jersey,
Okay.
shops in outside of Philly.
All right.
So,
Good.
yeah,
Nice.
Sick,
Yeah.
yeah.
What led you there?
Where we found a shop.
Yeah.
There we
Okay.
go.
Yeah,
Like
you
that.
know, PA is just a little bit more friendly to the industry, it seems like,
Mhm.
than even just like real estate costs. Like a shop's cheaper in PA. It's hard to compete. You know, if you're paying, you can be 20 miles over the river and pay less for a shop than in New Jersey. So
Yeah.
And you're not actually that far from where you grew up, right?
no, we're half an hour,
Yeah.
45 minutes. Yeah.
Yeah.
So did you have a dream, or like you guys have been very intentionally working together as brothers? Like, what got you going?
I think we've always wanted to do something for ourselves. You know, like at the maybe the highest level, that was a big part of it. And I remember a conversation with my mom at one point. She asked, "What do you want to do?" I was like, "I just want to make shit." I don't really know, you know. And then, you know, after college, I did engineering college and was in construction, which I loved. I think it's a fascinating industry, but it also made me realize that, well, without manufacturing, you're not doing. You know, there's no construction going on, right? Because all this stuff that is getting put up, like this gondola, right? Someone's making all that stuff somewhere else. So you need equipment, and there's been people here talking about making parts for Caterpillar. So it's, I don't know, like a very foundational. It's, and Paul Van Meter says it, but it's like seems like the most important thing. It kind of what makes the world tick. You know, if you boil it all down. So
then I got into machining out of high school, and it seemed like if we wanted to start a business, almost like you said, it's kind of a simple one. You can wrap your head around how to like scale it and grow it. You're like, find people who need parts and make the things they need, versus like all the other, I don't know, I couldn't even wrap my head around how to start some of the other businesses you hear about people doing. This seems like an industry kind of straightforward.
Say your names for the camera.
I'm Keith.
and I'm Patrick. We own Liberty Manufacturing together.
Keith, you're more talkative in person.
Am I?
we've only met on Zoom.
But the three of you have been working together for a while together.
So our process is really quick. When did we do your setup, in January?
I think so.
Yeah, January 5th.
Yeah, and then I had given them some direction on photography that we needed for the site, and they hired a local photographer. I think you got those to us at the end of March. We just launched last week. So yeah.
Is that marketing, or you're driving sales, or is it just a site for the shop?
Yeah, we built out their branding and website. And,
it definitely helped to take like our ideas of what the brand should be and like figure out what that actually looks like and means, rather than us kind of be a little lost.
Yeah, they have like a DIY website, which is
It's brutal. It was brutal.
Well, that's what
nice.
everyone does when you start
terrible.
a business, you know, and it works for, you know, for a time being. And then you get to a point where you're like, okay, now we need to look more professional and, you know, more authentic to who we are. And
I think our website still has like 23-year-old me like looking good. And I was like, oh man,
We're going to keep all those in the shots.
We're gonna keep
They're not
those
going away
going,
for a while.
Awesome.
When did you guys buy the shop? Was it already called Liberty and making the same kind of things?
We started it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So it was-
Started from the ground up.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's just the two of us. We're
I
a
must have
small.
misheard you. I thought he said it.
Yeah.
I guess we probably said we
About the
found a
building.
shop. It was the building, the
Yeah.
location,
Yeah.
you know, where it's going to start out.
And that September is when we moved into the space and
Last September.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So started in a garage about a year ago with a small mill, a small lathe.
Wow, nice. That's amazing.
Yeah, now they have 4 machines.
Yeah.
Yeah, machines. Plenty of space for more.
Yeah.
What kind of parts?
Kind of like typical job shop, anything, but no 5-axis yet. But I guess the two little niches we found are tooling for pharmaceutical work,
Okay.
and the pharmaceutical packaging.
Yeah.
And then machine builders.
Yeah.
So one is a robot integrator, an automation company. They make automation cells for big companies like Toyota. And then another one that builds big testing equipment for rigging. These are big rigs. That's awesome.
I bet the pharmaceutical packaging is a huge industry.
Thank you.
You guys know where you're going with the brewery?
Yes, I believe so. Thank you. Thank you guys. That was great.